everyone, welcome back to GSL Clips. లాస్ట్ వీక్ మీకు ప్రామిస్ చేసినట్టే ఈ వారం మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ పర్సనాలిటీతో మీ ముందుకు వచ్చాను. ఆ పర్సనాలిటీ ఎవరో తెలుసుకోవాలని మీ అందరికీ ఈగర్గా ఉందని నాకు తెలుసు. ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, లెట్స్ మీట్ ఆ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ పర్సనాలిటీ ఆఫ్ ద వీక్. ఈ పర్సనాలిటీ మనకి చాలా ఫెమిలియర్గా, మన చాలా సొంత పర్సన్ లాగా ఉంటారు. ఇంత కూలెస్ట్ పర్సన్ని మీరు ఎప్పుడు చూసుండ్రు. ఇంకా లేట్ చేయకుండా ఆ పర్సన్ ఎవరో మీ అందరికి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయబోతున్నాను. ఇట్స్ నన్ అదర్ దాన్ అవర్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ గురునాథ్ సార్. హలో సార్.
హలో
సార్, ఫస్ట్లీ మీ టైట్ షెడ్యూల్లో మా కోసం కొంచెం టైం స్పేర్ చేసినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్.
దట్స్ మై ప్రివిలేజ్.
సార్, ఇంత పెద్ద వాస్ట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి ప్రిన్సిపల్గా మీ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ అనేది చాలా పెద్దది. దాన్ని మీరు ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు సార్?
See, it's a teamwork. So I have an excellent faculty to boost me up and a very hard-working staff who are always ready to work overtime and a management which is very helpful. So I'm not alone. All of us put together, we are able to run this show.
Wow, sir, that's so great. Sir, you're a person who is cool, calm, and you're very subtle. అది మేము ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫస్ట్ చూస్తూ వచ్చాం. కానీ మీ నుంచి మాకు తెలుసుకోవాలనుకున్న విషయం ఒకటే సార్, అసలు ఎవరికి తెలియని విషయం మీ గురించి ఒకటి చెప్పండి సార్.
I am like everyone, you see. I have seen so much of life, so that gives you an experience. You know when to open and when not to open. And then I have been in service where the motto is speech is silver but silence is golden.
Wow, that's great, sir. Sir, ఆర్మీలోకి వెళ్ళిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి లైక్ వన్ ఈవెంట్ ఇది నా లైఫ్లో జరగటం వల్ల లైక్ ఇట్ గేవ్ ఎ కిక్ ఫర్ మీ అని చెప్పేసి అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అలాంటి వన్ ఈవెంట్ చెప్పండి సార్, లైక్ షేర్ విత్ us సార్.
I never wanted to join the service. So after completing my MS, I wanted to join state service because I had passed out from Rangarai Medical College. But there was no state government service at that time. And when I applied for the army, I got it immediately without any hitch. So after joining, then I didn't come back. I liked the service, so I stayed back in the service. I joined as a captain and I retired as a major general.
సార్, మీ ఫ్యామిలీ గురించి, మీ పిల్లల గురించి.
We are a joint family of 2 brothers, so we are 10 of us. We still stay together. Yes, we are 5 brothers and 5 sisters of 2 brothers. So my father died when I was 14 years of age. So my uncle has looked after all of us. We are lived like one family. My own subunit consists of my wife, who is a commerce graduate. She is a homemaker. She used to help me out looking after the families of the troops when I was in service. My son is presently pursuing final year of DM cardiology.
Sir, like GSL is a very big, vast institution. Like, what we can look up to in the future?
GSL is an institution which everyone will look at in days to come. We have one of the best infrastructures for any medical college in this part of the country. Our infrastructure is second to none, and whatever new facility has been created in GSL, it's state of the art. And there are some of those things which I don't think any college can replicate. Like one is the simulation lab, which everyone knows. Our RT-PCR and molecular genetics lab, there the infrastructure is one of its kind. Then we have the new lecture gallery complex, which I don't think people can think of making it because it's a very costly one. The management has been very insistent on developing those lecture galleries. Our new examination halls will be coming up sooner, so that will also be state of the art. So infrastructure wise, whatever is new and latest in any medical institution, you will come to see it here. So everyone should keep his eyes and ears open for what is going to come up in GSL. We are going to have a green library and an addition to the dental college. So the green library everyone would like to come and see it in days to come.
Sir, why did you choose ophthalmology as your postgraduate?
I never chose ophthalmology. Ophthalmology chose me. See, I am part of the system like anyone here. So when I went for my counseling was in the year 81, 82. So we were two batches who had to appear for PG entrance, and my rank was 39, and for the 39th rank at that time, I got ophthalmology. So, and I chose it. I joined ophthalmology. I was not a good starter, but as I told you, ophthalmology has taken me.
Sir, you wanted to be in armed forces, but ophthalmology wanted you to be in it.
No, ophthalmology, armed forces, that is one organization where every specialty is looked after. So the services, the system is such that every specialty grows and it is allowed to grow. So I had been, if you take an ordinary ophthalmic center in any remote place, it will have all the facilities which would be there in any facility in a city. So the service has grown to that extent.
Sir, like, you have been seeing students from so many decades. Like, what are the changes you want to see in the present students?
Yeah, I understood what you want. What the students should do, they should, like, we were worried about acquisition of skills. We were not very much into research orientation at that time. What I want the students now is that first they should put in all their efforts to acquire skills. All skills are important. While they are in the medical school, they should acquire skills. And also should have an ear and eye for research. Both the things have to be joined together, coupled together. Because that is where the future lies. You have to be skillful enough and you should be looking out for research. I think that is the essence of medical education.
Thank you so much, sir. This small talk is very, like, I was very eager to talk with you.
Thank you very much.
ఓకే, చూశారు కదా ఈ వారం మనం తెలుసుకున్న మనసులో మాట. ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ పర్సనాలిటీని మీట్ అవ్వడానికి జిఎస్ఎల్ క్లిప్స్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి అందరికీ ఈ వీడియోని షేర్ చేసి కింద ఒక మంచి కమెంట్ పెట్టేసేయండి. ఓకేనా? సీ యూ నెక్స్ట్ టైం. బాయ్.